because of the increasing demand for precious hardwood. Each year there's a great amount of deforestation to supply this demand. Because we are environmentally conscious, we decided to purchase a 700-acre property in Costa Rica. It consists of about 300 acres of primary forest which was in danger of being logged. Another 300 acres was used for cattle pasture, and we reforested this part of the land in 1993 with teak trees. About 50 acres has been allowed to regenerate, and 50 acres is suitable for segregating into building lots. This is located 20 minutes from Yaco Beach, Los Senos Hotel and Marina, and the Punta Leona Resort, which has a beautiful white sandy beach. It's also about 1.5 hours from the airport and 2 hours from the capital, San Jose. The property overlooks the Pacific Ocean and has a breathtaking view of the mountains. It has abundant wildlife, pristine creeks, waterfalls, and a wide variety of beautiful birds. It's a birdwatcher's paradise. The trees need to be pruned and the land must be cleared of constantly growing bush. By adopting a tree, you will help us to maintain them. As a result of your contributions, it will be possible to protect the 350 acres of primary forest and maintain the other 350 acres of land which has been reforested with various species of trees. So the forest is continuously regenerating. This protects the ecosystem because it prevents the harvesting of primary forest. By this method of reforestation, we are also helping the planet by offsetting carbon emissions. The term reforestation is the process of restoring and recreating areas of woodlands or forests that may have existed long ago but were deforested or otherwise removed at some point in the past. The cost for protecting each tree is US $25 for 10 years until the tree is mature enough to withstand the fast-growing brush and vines that will overtake it. If the newly planted trees are not properly maintained, they are soon overcrowded by vines and brush and they die. You can calculate the amount of carbon emissions offset and oxygen produced by determining the amount of trees you protect. An average household in the US releases about 10 to 11 tons of carbon emissions and about 11 tons from using automobiles. This is typical in most other Western nations. A certificate will be issued to all contributors showing the amount of oxygen produced and carbon sequestered. Each tree has the ability to absorb 19.2 kilos of carbon dioxide per year and can sequester 1 ton of carbon dioxide by the time it reaches the age of 40, and then the carbon absorption declines. For this reason, old trees will be selectively harvested to allow continued regeneration of new trees and sustain oxygen production and carbon absorption. Thank you so much for considering our wonderful project. You are always welcome to visit us and see for yourself. As a result of your contributions, it will be possible to protect the 350 acres of primary forest and maintain the other 350 acres of land which has been reforested with various species of trees.